I'm so tired. I just finished the 10 minutes nonstop workout. It was kind of intense because my tummy was hurting throughout the workout, but I got through with that. So now I'm going to take a shower, refresh up, then go downstairs to get something to eat because I'm starving too. So besties, it's your girl Lily. I know I haven't been posting for a while now, but I'm back with a chaotic but fun weekend vlog. I was able to spend some time with my sister and also get some maintenance in. And before going to get my nails done, I had to get on my mom's nerves. She was ignoring me, but it was good that I get to eat all the food by myself and not share with her. I'm happy your way. You're always a firm I'm the jack on, I'm the gas on. I know the hair what you feel, but you tell me otherwise from you. Me, I'm gonna follow you to the kingdom, come along. Hey, you give me soft, come along. Man, I still kind of look sleepy, but anywho, good afternoon guys. I have a nail appointment at 4:30 and I'm here already and it's only 4 p.m. so I'm thinking about staying in the car for a little bit before going in, but part of me feel like I should go in already just in case if he's already done with a person before me. But it feels nice in here. I don't want to like get out yet. What should I do? I know y'all can't answer me, but decisions. What should I do? I'm gonna just stay in here for a little bit and then go inside to get my nails done. But if I go in early and he's already finished, that way I could get to go home earlier than expected. So maybe I should just go in. Let's see. I wonder if I could take this off without it cutting. Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna pack my bag. That's so many things to hold. Ooh, look at this skin. Period. Hi. Say hi to my YouTube. Oh, it's too good.
That's it.
Bruh.
Okay. She's taking me on this walk. She usually do it, and this is my first time. Y'all gonna be like, where's the waist? It's gonna be all gone.
Period.
I'm already tired. We walked from all the way this far.
Hold up, because we need an outfit check. Period. Period. Yes, sis. Get into it. Hey. Uh-huh. Yeah! Hey. Hey. Whew. Give me to next year if you see my waist. You lying.
What? Oh shoot, I thought he was talking to us. Taking a walk. Taking a walk. What? I tried it. You know that song that says, making my way downtown.
Taking a walk downtown.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say, but it wasn't given, so I'm gonna just let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go!
You done broke somebody's car window.
I did? Oh, with my voice? Oh my god, you mean. She is mean. Strong woman.
Catch up if you can.
Why are you trying to make this tired already? Oh my god. I'm already tired and she's trying to like make it worse. And I just gotta catch my breath.
She thirsty. Not the turkey legs. Not the turkey legs. Could somebody get this girl asthma pump?
Don't you just had me. God forbid. Help you up.
Behind the scenes of. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Why did I decide to go to this with this girl?
Come on.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's go. You want your phone? Let's go.
Oh my god, you trying to kill me. Oh my goodness.
All right, let's not go, y'all. I'm tired.
Me too. See you in a bit, cause she's trying to kill me. I made it, and now we're going back home. How was the walk?
Fabulous.
Fabuloso.
The grape kind.
I hate the
red
lavender one. Wait, are we talking about? Okay, hi.
The grape lavender one too. Yeah.
Hello. Cause she wants to stare, so
Like
don't
crazy.
say nothing. Okay. All right.
Hold it.
Thank you.
Whew. Okay, go. Go what? First.
Okay. Today is Sunday, and my sister and I are planning on going out for brunch. We were supposed to be there at 12, and it's 11:59 right now. She always claimed that I'm the one that's making us late. As you can see, I think I am going to be late. And she didn't call me, so I'm sure that she's going to be late too. I'm planning on doing like a 10 minutes makeup so I could beat her to the place. That's all I have to do. I don't have to be there at 12. I just have to beat her to the restaurant. So first, I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to highlight and then contour. Clean brushes. All we use is clean brushes, okay? Messing up my edges right here. They fluff right back up. I'm going to use a little bit of this foundation and blend the side that I didn't put anything yet. For my sister, so I am going to wait for her so we could go in together. But guys, I'm feeling this lipstick combo. I made this cute Snapchat video. How cute is this? So who made us late? Oh, you look cute. Look at her outfit. It's popping. Yes, sis.
Hey, period, sis. Get into it. Yes, mamas. Okay, it's the bag. Yes. Period. Ooh.
Outfit check. Her. What's a better way to end a brunch date and a vlog than taking pictures? Let me know. But anywho, this is our Instagram names, so you can find the pictures and show us some love. Thanks for watching again. Bye, besties.